Hey guys, it's me, Liam from Border Busters, and today I want to show you how you can make trick blocks in Roblox Studio. So before we start, I just want to say, please make sure to like and subscribe. Help me get 4,000 watch hours by watching my longer videos. And what those 4,000 watch hours is it helps me get monetized on YouTube. I've only got 228, I believe. And that would be a huge help. I have created a playlist for the watch hours, so if you want to go check that out, that's in the playlist tab. So if you can, just watch that all the way through. You don't even have to watch it; you could just play it. But yeah, so this will be this will be very simple. So I'm going to go onto Roblox Studio. If you don't have that downloaded yet, it's only for PC and Mac, or just computer overall. It's not on phone or iPad or anything like that. So all you gotta do is you got to once you've got that signed in and all ready to go to base plate and just click on that and it'll load up a base plate. You could do whatever you really want. I wouldn't do any of the other like template games though, like the ones that are already made with Roblox. I go with base plate or like the classic base plate. So what we're gonna do for that is we can add a part first. Let's make kind of a little bit of an obby real quick. So we can scale this up. We'll add this part and we'll name this, we'll just make this one a regular part. So this will be like the base plate kind of right here. And then of course you could change the color to this. I'm going to change it to, this one looks really good, lapis. And you can change the material. I'm going to do diamond plate. So once you've got that, if you do this, if we play the game, of course, it won't do anything because this is just our kind of our one that we jump on, and it's a normal part. So if we join in, we'll see that it's not moving right now because we're not able to move it. But if you were to remove the base plate right here, it's not anchored, so it would just fall into the void like forever. And we just want to go to this part and press anchor. And before we do anything else, I'm going to add a folder to this. And I'm going to rename it to just obby. And we could put this part in here. So I'm going to add a couple more of those, and I'm going to speed up the video. You guys could customize this however you want. You could add a sphere, a wedge, a corner wedge, a cylinder. Pretty much anything you could think of. You could make a model. Yeah, so I'm just going to start duplicating these and kind of make out my level. So all you gotta do here is you're just going to, you could do whatever you want, but I'm just going to go here, make this a bright green for kind of the finish, and I'm going to change the textured text. All I'm going to do now is we're going to actually change the settings here of which ones are kind of where you can't collide with them. So you guys can make this however you want. Again, yeah. So I'm just going to, let's see. I'm just going to pick some random parts. I know I was going to do this one here. So the part that or the setting that kind of changes it is called can collide, and it's right here. It makes it so you can't collide with anything. So right here, I'm just going to change a little bit of a setting right here and set the transparency to not fully 1. And if you want to, there's another thing, but I just like doing transparency. But there is the force field texture, so it's still kind of there, but not really. Or you could do exact opposite. Where you want this one to be the only one that's safe, and then these ones you'll all fall through. But I'm just gonna make it like this. I'm not gonna do the force field texture. I was just kind of showing you guys how that works. I'm gonna set the transparency to 0.5 or maybe 0.7. Yeah, that's good. Kind of show it's a one that you'll fall through. And we can make a couple more of these. Let's see. Trying to think how I could do this. You could do like a fake right here, or you could move this over here. Oh yeah, well, let's make like a fake path right here. So this will be the real path, and then we could go like that. Maybe move this right here, and then we could Control D, or wait, no, Control D, duplicate. I could do the fake ones like that. I don't know, something like that. Again, you could do it really however you want. I'm not that good at making obbies, but if we try out our game, we could go here, and we could press play, and we'll join in on the spawn location right here. So obviously, I wasn't able to jump. So you're able to kind of tweak it and make it really however you want. Yeah, so I'm going to move this up a little bit and then maybe move this right here. You want to be able to make sure you could jump on the other parts. Yeah, I'm gonna adjust this so you're able to actually be able to jump on these. Alright, so now if I play it, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to beat the obby and see how this will work. Oof, that was close. Then right here, there's the fake block, and you go right through it. So now if you go through it on this, it really won't do anything because you're just there's the base plate there. To make it more of an actual challenge, so you actually fall, just go to this base plate right here, right click, delete, or Control X. And that'll get rid of the base plate. So now if we try this out now, hopefully I'll be able to get to the end. So we go here, here, hop on this one. And then once you get here, people will think, oh, maybe I'll be able to go through this one. And then you fall through. So that's pretty much how you make trick parts in Roblox Studio. Yeah, guys, please make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to share this channel with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.